Hello, and right there I was just trying to configure if my scope was sitting correctly, so I was just doing a bit of testing. So this is my first Airsoft video, by the way, so I don't know. We were only 3 players, so yeah. But anyways, let's jump into it. Like I said, it was only a 3-player game. We were supposed to be 7, but a lot of the time he fucked up. So, you know, Airsoft is Airsoft and it's always fun. I played with my sniper this time. It's an old gun. It's actually about 10 years old. It's a gun that I own from my brother, so. But I was a little bit skeptic about using it because I like only have it for a collector's item. But because I had a new gun and it can't take below 0 Celsius, so I decided to take it. I had no idea what kind of fucking madness was up against me. Like I said, 10 years old, collector's item, I rarely use it. It's actually so rarely, I think the last time I shot a shot at it was like 2 years ago, somewhere around it, no joke. But I think you'll find out a little bit later. I was just doing a bit of hub-up testing, so I wouldn't say it went that good, but yeah, at that time it worked, so I think, alright, fuck this, man, it's alright. This is the first time I experienced the mag feeding problems, at least for this game. Didn't really think it was going to be that much of a problem, but it turned out later on. So I was trying to see if I can watch any like movement. First of all, I sat like shit. My gun was sitting like shit. Everything was shit. Couldn't even shoot, which is shit. You know, so I was trying to. I had an idea where they were, and if I had a proper airsoft, I would have killed them all, no problem. Yeah, like you can see, I've fucked that shit. So I started seeing them now, and I was aiming at them. I don't know if I took a shot yet, but I definitely knew where they were, and I think they also knew where I was. So yeah, it was kind of fucked up. So as you might see, it was fucked up. They couldn't hit me, I couldn't hit them. It's pretty fucking awkward, but come on. My sniper was shooting like shit. I might as well just use a fucking pistol, and that's what I did later on. But I think I'm going to skip over this sniper part, because to be honest, I did nothing with it. Nothing. So they started hunting me, and I just couldn't hit anything. My fucking sniper wouldn't do anything for me. I think this is somewhere around where I started getting mag feeding problems, and basically I was just shooting air at them. So I wouldn't say that was the most best thing, and I quickly realized that to get my AK. I saw enemy on my left, and I knew there was someone on my right and someone on my left. The guy on the left had a pistol, and the guy on the right had an M4. So I was hoping that the guy on the left would show up before the guy on the right, and started getting one hell of a close quarter combat right there. And I got hit. Yeah. He is right in fucking front of me. I was trying to see if I can get a better precision, so it would be a one shot, one kill. Unfortunately, he saw me. First of all, I'm not camouflaged. Second, I'm noisy as hell. Third, I was just standing in the middle of everything. So yeah, but. And I was just shooting air at him. Yeah. Pretty awkward. We were literally standing and firing. I didn't even shoot bullets at him, and he couldn't hit shit. Um, Awkward. See what I'm talking about? These magazine feed problems really turned out to be some real fucking shit for me. And I think I'm going to jump all the way to the point where I just shifted to my AK. This was fucking ridiculous. Alright guys, ready to roll with my AK.
Hvor lodret sidder den agtige. Det ligger den her. Og i tilden. Hvor meget nede? Lidt op. Skal den lidt op?
I just love airsoft. Camping behind a tree. Realistic. Right now he's basically just flying around for like 5,000 shots, man. It's like fucking... yeah, too easy. Let the chasing begin. One thing to notice is how I instantly freeze when I see him.
Help!
To be honest, I was like crawling off like a scared dog or some shit. That motherfucker had a rate of fire I've never seen before. That bitch. Oh, I shot him in the face. Sorry, man.
Nå, ja okay. Den er okay.
I had some hop-up adjustment problems. I think it was because of the coldness. I'm not sure though, but I do have some kind of thoughts about that's a problem.
Det her hop-up nu her, det er helt fucked der.
Some things I had to say. We were in a public fucking forest, and some people were starting to walk against us, and we packed our shit. We were in the game 20 minutes later, so no problem. But we're playing in a public fucking forest. Yeah.
Jo!
Alright, so at this point it was 2 versus 1. He had a sniper. And the reason why I'm looking behind and talking to him like he had to get down is because of we saw some mountain warriors behind us. Like I said, it's public forest, so we have to be a little bit careful not to scare them off like we were fucking terrorists. But yeah, so I was just telling him to get down, and fortunately these guys were not going straight ahead to us, so no problem. But they couldn't see us anyways. But always be sure if you play in a public forest, guys. I started scouting the area, and I was just hoping that he would get away his position so I could figure out where it was. So basically I was using my teammate as bait. Yeah, I'm a nice guy, don't you think? So I think I had an idea where it was, but I can't directly see where it is before he actually shoots. So yeah, but now I know where it was, I think. predicted he was going up the hill, so at the moment right there he spotted me, and like I'm standing in the middle of an opening, so obviously he will see me. But I'm trying to use the trees as a cover for me to get up to him. He was right up there where you can see that fallen tree. So I was just using the trees as a cover, and I knew where he was, and he knew where I was. So yeah. I thought it was time to gangbang him.
Herovre!
So we both shot him, and he got shot in the fucking neck, and I shot him on his fucking back. So he got pretty fucking. He got. I would say he should call it his hits, yeah, and he did.
Okay.
Alright, so we had one spawn. Obviously we had two spawns, but we had a camp where we were laying all of our stuff, and we just couldn't fucking find it. But one thing to notice as well is that where you see that farm right here, right there, a guy was coming in, as you'll see later on. I knew that it was right in the fucking area, and I was right.
Der, jeg tror lige der. Ja, det er der.
Alright, so I saw a guy coming in from the road up there. That's why I stopped and I told my guy, and he stopped up and said, "What?" And I said there was a guy coming in, and I sat down my AK and I said, "Oh shit, get your shit together, man. We're leaving." So I had a pretty. I was trying to put my glasses on my fucking head, but I forgot there was a GoPro on it. So, but yeah, we started packing our shit because it looked like some guy who wanted to fucking kill us. So we packed our shit, and we remembered it was a public forest area, and some shit turned up later. As we were packing all our shit away, I would say that we packed that shit fairly quick. So I was just looking to behind, and suddenly there stands a guy right in our fucking face with the dog, and we just have guns and mask on and all kinds of shit. And he just said, "What are we doing?" And we said, "We're just playing a bit of Airsoft, man." And we know it looks a little bit too crazy, you know, mask and guns and shit. And we just say, "Yo, have a nice day" and shit. And that's the thing to remember, guys, when you're playing at a public Airsoft field. Don't make them feel threatened, kind of. Just take it slowly and say what you're doing, and that's it. We were packing our shit and we were leaving. That's where we had a camp for the rest of the day, so we were, like I said, we were in the game 20 minutes later, so no problem. So our friend turned in, so now we're 4 people. Yay, what a great fucking game. No, so our friend turned in, you know, he only has a pistol, you know, so he's pretty limited, but he joined, it was nice, man, with his bicycle and all kinds of shit, so, yeah, we're ready, man. So we just trying to flank them the right side, and I predicted to him where they were, and like I said, I was right, they were right in that area, and we start to get shot at around here. And we start to get shot at again, so I return fire.
Så han stod der bag træet.
And I got hit.
Tror jeg, de står bag træet.
One thing that I learned about fully automatic is you can't hit shit. Because of that, it was below 0 Celsius. I could clearly feel that the gearbox mechanism was fucked. The rate of fire dropped pretty drastically. Try to listen to the gearbox now, the rate of fire. At this point my gun was starting to give up. You can clearly see this isn't the real Kalashnikov. I thought that was a pretty good one.
Jeg tror jeg er ude af strøm.
Please take a look at my hand and see how fucking red that shit is. My fucking hands were freezing. It was unbelievable. These were actually shots from the night before. I had to check how well where I had to set my cam. So, but guys, thanks for watching and see you. Remember, this is my first Airsoft video with only 3 people, so not that much of an action, sorry. So again, thank you for watching, and I'm sorry for my late game speak over voiceover, I would like to say. I was a little bit quiet, a bit too quiet, actually very quiet, but you know, we managed to do that, and thank you for watching. And of course, subscribe, bitch.